Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Wish account. So Wish is an online shopping app that helps you to get connected with a lot of items and a lot of products with a lot of discount and in a price that is way lower than the retail prices. So if you want to sign up for a Wish account, this is what you need to do. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Wish app from either your App Store or Google Play Store, or you can simply go to your web browser and open up Wish. After opening up Wish, you'll land on an interface that will basically ask you to create an account. So when you're asked to create an account, you'll have to give in your first name. Here I'm going to type in my first name, then your last name, and then your email address. So I'm just going to type in my email address over here. And after doing that, you'll have to type in a password. So I'm just going to also type in my password and then tap on create an account. You can also sign up with Facebook or Google as per your convenience. So choose the method that best applies to you. So here it says that push notifications are required. So tap on OK and then allow notifications. Now here it is going to ask you who do you shop for, whether it's women or men. So if it's men, make sure that you tap on men. If it's women, tap on women. And then tap on how old are you. So I'm just going to tap on a particular age range and then tap on finish. After doing this, wait for the processings to load. And now here it says thanks for signing up, which means that you've already signed up. Now you can either choose certain gifts over here, or you can just tap on no thanks on the top right corner. And now here it says that the offer is only available now, so you don't want to miss out on deals. So now when you go to the three horizontal lines, you can see here that you have already been able to log into your account, which means that your account creation has been successful. So this is how you can create an account for your Wish. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do let us know in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.